where Jordana and Grant from Shot in the Dark travel, and from the bustling streets of Manila to the stunning beaches of Boracay to the epic landscapes of El Nido, we're bringing you a front row seat to the magic of this extraordinary country. Hit that subscribe button and let's uncover the beauty of the Philippines together. This is part 2 of our explorations in Cebu City. In this video, we'll visit the majestic Temple of Leah, sip cocktails whilst enjoying the views of the city, and stuff our faces with a variety of delights at the Sugbo night market.
So we're at the Temple of Leah and it's maybe like a 20-30 minute drive north of Cebu, and honestly it's incredible. I've never seen anything like it.
It's beautiful, but it's very random.
It's really weirdly like over the top. So this local businessman, his wife sadly died and they'd been married for 53 years and she was called Leah. So he's built like a massive, they're calling it a temple, but it literally looks like the Parthenon. It's like a massive like Greek or Roman thing with like loads and loads of columns. It's huge, everything's made of marble, there's gold everywhere, it's crazy.
He's definitely set the bar. Like, this is what I expect now, Grant. This is what I expect. Apparently they call it like the Taj Mahal of Cebu because it's got like a similar story. How mad is this? Like, it's really beautiful. Unfortunately, we've not got like, you know, blue skies or anything, but it's still really breathtaking, the views from here.
Because it's right at the top of the hill. Like, the views of Cebu are absolutely amazing up here. Well worth a visit, definitely. Even though it's just like there's no history behind it all, some guy just built it 10 years ago, it's definitely worth checking out.
So we're here at Libby in the Sky and it is beautiful. The views are so gorgeous. Unfortunately, it is a bit foggy still, but it's still quite like, I don't know, it's got like an eeriness to it, it's quite cool. But yeah, we've just ordered some drinks. We were gonna have lunch here, but what time is it?
5 o'clock.
But it's 5 o'clock, so we're well past lunch. And we're going to go to a night market for tea, so we might get a nibble here, but I imagine we're going to eat loads at the night market, so I'm not sure yet. But we've just ordered our drinks. Grant's flying the drone, of course. But yeah, we're just going to take it in. Grant being the best company as per usual.
If we'd not got in late, I wouldn't be rushing to do all the dronery before it gets dark. Dronery's not the real word either, but you know what I mean.
And of course that's my fault. But it's alright, I'm gonna let that one slide, that little sliding, because I've got a cocktail. And everything is always good with a cocktail. So, pint of lager, iced latte, and gelato this time.
And what? Sorted. I thought it was a bit weird when I got my ice cream. Just give me 3 spoons. Like, can't a man just get a large ice cream all to himself and not share it with anyone? Is that illegal? I don't get it. So we didn't manage to make it to the Tops viewpoint. It was closed today for some reason. It says open 24 hours on Google, but there was a barrier down, there was a guard there, so we couldn't get in. But instead we came to La Vie in the Sky, which is a restaurant like 100 metres away, and I definitely recommend it. So there's some outdoor seating, and it's just like on a little terrace overlooking the views, and it just looks fantastic. We accidentally came just before sunset, and I think that is what I'd probably recommend to do, because it meant we got all the views while the sun was up, and then we got a sunset, and then now when we look out, we've just got all the lights and it looks fantastic. Like, my camera doesn't really do it justice in the dark, but the skyline with all the lights on just looks amazing. So I definitely recommend, if you're going down to Temple of Leah, definitely come up just round the corner to the La Vie in the Sky. So far, absolutely buzzing about the Sugbo night market in IT Park. There are so many food options, but I'm gonna eat until I'm sick. Everything here seems pretty reasonably priced. So the gyros has been 200 pesos, and the tacos 200 pesos for two. They are very, very good.
So what are these called? Yama. This one is octopus, and this one's pork.
So you got an octopus first?
Really good. You want to try the pork?
Wow. Really, really good. I don't know what it is, but it's really tasty.
He literally wasn't convinced when I said we should try these, but they're really good.
Octopus balls didn't sound that appetizing.
Everyone that I've heard said that got them said the octopus tastes better than the pork, so
I'm going octopus now, so
go
let's
on,
see.
let us down.
Tasted very similar, hard to say. Not sure if I've had two pork by accident, they tasted very similar.
What have you got?
So we've got some fried pork belly, and with one with a gravy sauce and one with a spicy sauce. I hope it's not the spicy one, I've put too much on.
Surely that's the gravy.
That's fantastic. Just tastes like a hog roast.
So I'm going to go for the fried pork belly. And gravy. Little dip in there. That is so good.
Really nice, isn't it?
Really crispy on top, and really soft in the middle. Really good.
And now as last course, we've got baby back ribs with rice and then a bit of bone marrow on the side. Never had bone marrow before, so keen to see how that tastes. Jordana's going straight for the bone marrow apparently. Rogue move.
So I don't know how I feel about this. I mean, it just looks like I've just scooped fat out of the bone.
That face, it's a resounding no on the bone marrow.
That is definitely hell to the no.
Better than the bone marrow?
Better than the better than the bone marrow.
Can I go for the cheesecake, please? Yeah, one or a cup one? Cup, please.
Decisions,
Just a
Grant.
small one.
Just a small one.
It's my second ice cream of the evening, so I won't comment though.
No day would be complete without Grant having an ice cream. So I can tell you now, Grant is thoroughly enjoying his ice cream.
You heard it here first, easily the best ice cream in Asia. The whole of Asia, not just the bits we've been to, the whole thing.
Cebu City really surprised us. There was a lot more to see and do than we expected. We're so glad that we had time to fit this into our itinerary as we had a fabulous time.
If you've enjoyed watching, please like and subscribe to see more videos, and we'll see you in the next one.